Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on Kangaroo 2017 grade 7 and 8 exam question 26. Mike had 125 small cubes. He glued some of them together to form a big cube with 9 tunnels leading through the whole cube as shown in the diagram. How many of these small cubes did he not use? Pause this question before you start it. You can see that I've highlighted the 9 tunnels over here. If you look closely, on the right face, the tunnel is going left. The front face, it's going forward. And the top face, it's going down, right? When you look at all this together, you will see that there is one cube that's being overcounted. Now, you can pause this video and try figuring out how you would do this question since I've given you a hint. And the solution will be in 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so when it's going down, forward, and left, there is one cube that's being overcounted. It's being counted 3 times. So if you look at the tunnel, the cubes are going to move forward, downwards, and left 5 times. And we are looking at 3 holes here. So 3 times 5 will give us 15 cubes unused. But remember, we are overcounting that one cube twice. So that means we'll subtract 2 from 5 times 3, which will give us 15 minus 2, and that's 13. Okay, now that means in these things we are not counting 3. We are not including 13 cubes. We're going to multiply that by 3 because we have 3 more phases, right? And that will give us 39. Hence our answer is D. Let me know if you were able to solve it in a different method. I will see you guys tomorrow with my new video.